This is going to be a surprising answer, even for myself, right? It was global managerial economics. As you know, I was an accounting student. This is something that I am familiar with. Even if it's not very detailed, I am a little bit familiar with economics, right? And I was never really a big fan of economics, I'm not gonna lie, right? It is a good subject, it is an important subject, but personally I wasn't a fan. But as the course went on, it interests me for some reason. And then when it came to doing the assignment, going to the trade room, analyzing, using Bloomberg, I just felt a sense of enjoyment. I couldn't really explain it, but the enjoyment I sensed from looking at the statistics, looking at analyzing it, and just finding the answer for it was really fun for some reason.